news that's coming in. Delhi BJP has now made a fresh poster, and fresh poster drive has been taken at the Aam Aadmi Party. Bharatiya Janata Party has now released a new poster mocking Manish Sisodia. Now, after Manish Sisodia got bail in the Liquorgate scam, it is the Bharatiya Janata Party that has now unleashed a poster war on the Aam Aadmi Party. The visuals that you are seeing on your screens have been tweeted out by the Bharatiya Janata Party, where they're asking students to be alert because the one who's been selling liquor at every nook and corner in the national capital, that accused, is now out on bail. This is the fresh poster war that is taking place between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. A new poster has come out, and this has been made by the BJP. Manish Sisodia, who was behind bars for almost 17 months, was being given bail. He got the bail yesterday, and since then he visited his family members, also visited the Hanuman temple today, went to the Rajghat, and now he's saying that it will be Arvind Kejriwal who will be out in the next 24 hours. This is the claim being made by Manish Sisodia at the moment. He's been granted bail. He was detained for almost 18 months under allegations tied to the Delhi excise policy case. Now this poster has come out. Just after coming out from the jail, Aam Aadmi Party leader said that this is dictatorship that is taking place inside the nation, and his remarks came just a day after he was released from the jail. He served a jail term of almost 17 months. There were allegations that tied him to the Delhi excise policy case. In fact, there were a lot of Aam Aadmi Party supporters who had gathered outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters to welcome Manish Sisodia. He addressed the Aam Aadmi Party workers. He criticized Bharatiya Janata Party. RP Singh, BJP national spokesperson, is now joining me on the story. Mr. Singh, very clearly we can see that it is the BJP that has taken a pot shot at Manish Sisodia. You are asking children to be aware because it is Manish Sisodia, the one who was selling liquor at almost every nook and corner in the national capital, who's out on bail now.
Well, he is the one who opened a liquor vendors, went outside the schools and colleges and gurdwaras and temples. So the children should be aware, and the society should be aware of the person, one. Secondly, they are tom-tomming about that he has been released. He's on conditional release. He has to pay some 30 lakh rupees surety, plus he has to appear in the police station every Thursday and Monday, and plus his passport has been impounded. So what are the tom-tomming? I mean, all such conditions are only applied to hardened criminals. So this clearly shows that what was the intent of the court, one. Secondly, okay, trial has to start. Trial will start by some time, but there are concrete evidence with the ED and CBI, and because of that, Supreme Court in the last hearing said there is a clear-cut money trail of 38 crore rupees. That is Supreme Court observation. So, as for the case goes, the case is strong enough, and Delhi has to be aware that the man whom they are talking about is a corrupt man, and also that in April, end of the April, the Chief Justice of Delhi passed very strict strictures regarding the education model of Delhi. I mean, schools. He said the schools are run in Northeast Delhi. It's been run in the 10 schools, in 10 shed schools, with 140 children in each class and broken benches. And this was there in the all newspapers that they were reprimanded because of their education model. So they only do publicity and they only speak lies.
Right. Thank you, Mr. RP Singh, national spokesperson, Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that all that the Aam Aadmi Party does is to lie to the citizens of the national capital. Now, Manish Sisodia is walking as a free man now. The former Deputy Chief Minister of the national capital addressed a rally in the national capital and fiercely criticized the Bharatiya Janata Party. He accused the party of conspiring to defame the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He claimed the BJP has orchestrated a web of investigations led by the ED and the CBI, and all this is being done to defame the Aam Aadmi Party. He's out on bail in the Delhi liquor policy case. Earlier in the morning, he also visited Rajghat and paid homage to Mahatma Gandhi. Accompanied by his family members, Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh, Manish Sisodia also offered prayers at the Delhi's iconic Hanuman temple in Connaught Place.
ये ईडी और सीबीआई का ताना बाना इसलिए नहीं बुना गया कि कोई बेईमानी हो गई है। ये ईडी और सीबीआई का ताना बाना इसलिए बुना गया है कि कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक किसी चाय के ढाबे पे भी रुके हुए 10 लोगों से बात करोगे कि केजरीवाल कौन है जानते हो, बोले यार वो दिल्ली में काम बड़ा शानदार कर रहा है और काम तो कर ही रहा है, ईमानदारी से कर रहा है। उस छवि को बिगाड़ने के लिए ये सारा षड्यंत्र, सारे कुचक्र रचे जा रहे हैं। इनकी तो बड़ी कोशिशें करी इन्होंने, संजय भाई के ऊपर, मेरे ऊपर, अरविंद जी के ऊपर, पार्टी के और नेताओं के ऊपर। देश के सख्त से सख्त कानूनों की सख्त से सख्त धाराएं लगा के इनको बंद कर दो झूठे सच्चे केस में, और ऐसी ऐसी धाराएं लगा दो जो दुनिया भर में आतंकवादियों के ऊपर लगाई जाती हैं। ऐसी ऐसी कानूनों की धाराएं लगा दो जो दुनिया में ड्रग माफिया के ऊपर लगाई जाती हैं। ऐसी ऐसी धाराएं लगा के इन्होंने सोचा इनको जेल में बंद कर दो, तो जैसे आतंकवादी को जेल में डाल देते हैं तो सड़ता रहता है, जैसे ड्रग माफिया को जेल में डालते हैं तो दुनिया में सड़ता रहता है। इन्हें लगा अरविंद केजरीवाल, मनीष सिसोदिया और संजय सिंह को भी जेल में डालेंगे तो सड़ जाएंगे। लेकिन आपके आंसुओं की कीमत है ये, आपके आंसुओं की ताकत है ये कि जेल के ताले भी पिघल जाते हैं।
18 महीने के बाद 8वें 9वें अटेम्प्ट में बेल मिला है, और वो भी टेक्निकल कुछ ग्राउंड्स के कारण बेल मिला है। पासपोर्ट जब्त हुआ है, उसके साथ साथ उनको हर हफ्ते थाने में जाकर के रिपोर्ट भी करना है। भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप बड़े लगे हुए हैं, ट्रायल चल रहा है। सिर्फ बेल मिला है 17-18 महीने के बाद, इसका अर्थ ये नहीं है कि वो बरी हो गए हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी भ्रष्टाचार और भ्रष्टाचारियों को सेलिब्रेट कर रही है।
लेकिन 17 महीना बाद कोर्ट ने बेल भी दिया, तो ऐसी ऐसी शर्त रखी जिसको सुन करके दिल्ली के लोग शर्मसार हो जाएंगे कि हमने कैसे लोगों को चुना है। आपका पासपोर्ट जब्त हो गया है, मनीष सिसोदिया का पासपोर्ट जब्त है, और मनीष सिसोदिया जी को हर सप्ताह थाने में हाजिरी देनी पड़ेगी। इसको दूसरी भाषा में क्या कहते हैं मैं अपने मुंह से नहीं बोलना चाहता हूं। आम आदमी पार्टी ये सच की विजय किसको कह रही है? क्या इस देश को एक और भ्रम पैदा करना चाहती है कि जमानत होने के बाद आपका आरोप से मुक्ति होता है? ऐसे लोगों से दिल्ली भी सावधान है, देश भी।